How to set up automatic bill payments in Regions Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want your bills paid automatically on time, well here is how to set up automatic payments in Regions Bank. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here from the search result just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here simply log in using your credentials and once logged in on your dashboard simply click Bill Pay and select the pay you want to set up for automatic payments. And after that, you simply have to enter the amount to pay and choose recurring payment or auto pay. And from there, you simply have to select frequency like weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and the payment date. And with that, at last you have to review the details and click submit or save to activate automatic payments. And you can edit or cancel these recurring payments anytime from the bill pay dashboard. And that's it. That's how you can set up automatic bill payments in Regions Bank. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.